Title: Real Estate Investing: The Path to Financial Freedom. Unlock your future. What if I told you there's a way to not just build wealth, but to secure your future, live with less stress, and take control of your financial destiny? All while making a sound investment? Imagine being able to retire early, or simply not worry about your bills ever again. Sounds too good to be true? Well, stick with me, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how real estate can turn that dream into reality, and how you can get started today. You see, while many are busy throwing their money into the stock market, there's one asset that's been a wealth-building secret for centuries: real estate. And no, you don't need to be a millionaire to begin. It's accessible to almost anyone. And in this video, I'll walk you through the key steps to jump in. Let's get started, shall we? Act 1. The Reality Check. Why real estate? Let's start with the truth. Most people never build true wealth. And here's why. They invest in what's trending, or what feels safe. But are you really safe when you're at the mercy of inflation, stock market crashes, or a job loss? Think about it. Do you know how many families lost their homes during the 2008 crisis? How many people regret not investing in real estate when property values were lower than they are now? That fear of missing out is real. The question isn't whether you'll make mistakes, it's whether you'll make them with something that builds wealth over time. And real estate, unlike many other investments, has a track record of doing just that. Cut to a graph showing long-term real estate growth contrasting with the volatility of the stock market. But don't just take my word for it. Real estate has consistently outpaced inflation and stock market volatility, making it a solid long-term investment. I mean, it's not like you're going to move into your stock portfolio unless you're into very creative living arrangements. Act 2. The Process. How you get started. 30160. All right, let's get to the exciting part. You know why. Real estate is a great investment, but you might be thinking, how do I even start? Well, here's the good news. You don't need to buy a mansion or become a landlord to get into the game. It's all about strategy and taking that first step. The first step: find a property you can afford. Don't get caught in the trap of looking for the perfect investment. Start with something manageable, a property that meets your budget, even if it's a smaller home or a rental property. Now let's break it down. There are several ways to get into real estate: buy-to-let properties, flipping homes, or even real estate investment trusts, REITs, for those who don't want the hassle of managing a property. You don't need a ton of cash to get started, especially with REITs, which allow you to pool your money with others to invest in large properties. And no, you don't need to turn into a reality TV show star flipping houses with hammers and power tools in hand. You can build wealth without all the drama. Start small, gain experience, and when you're ready, you can scale up. But the key here is to start, and the sooner, the better. And if you're wondering, can I afford it? The answer is yes. With proper planning and leveraging smart financing options, you can make it happen. Why you shouldn't wait, but. Here's the thing. The longer you wait, the harder it becomes to catch up. Take a look at your financial future right now. Do you want to be the person scrambling to catch up with your peers, or the one who took action and set yourself up for financial freedom? I'm not talking about a get-rich-quick scheme. Real estate is a long-term game, but the rewards, the financial freedom, the ability to live life on your terms, are absolutely worth it. The freedom to enjoy life without that constant anxiety over money, to retire earlier, or to provide for your family. This is about securing a future where you are the one making the financial decisions, not your boss, not the stock market. And what better time than now to make that leap? The market is full of opportunities, and there are more ways to enter than ever before. Danger. Don't miss out. So let me ask you, what's stopping you? What's that one thing holding you back? Fear? Lack of knowledge? Time? The truth is, if you wait any longer, You risk missing out on massive opportunities, and worse, watching your peers get ahead. I won't sugarcoat it. Every year that passes without taking action is a year that your financial future becomes harder to control. The longer you wait, the higher the property prices go, the harder it will be to break into the market. The window of opportunity is closing, and now is your moment to act. So, what's your next move? Are you ready to invest in yourself and your future? I've outlined the first steps today, but don't stop here. Start doing your research, plan your first investment, and take that LE.